What is up, guys? Today is a Saturday, 86 day. Finally, my fuel tank is back. And if you guys didn't watch my previous video, I bought a new car, the Chaser X80 series. And curious about the specs, go watch the previous video. And right now I'm gonna pick up my fuel tank, which just arrived. They finally sent it last week. Don't ask me why it's inside the Chaser. I have no other place to keep. I brought it home from Alvin's place the other day and didn't like the smell of the fuel to stay in the Jeep, so I put it inside the Chaser. Put it inside V. So now I'm gonna take it out, and I places the boxes because there's like always random stray cats going to the house, and because there's actually like water dripping from up there and it's hitting the body. What? There's a hole here already. Gotta move the box, yo. So my 86 fuel tank, this is actually a K70 fuel tank because there's no in-tank fuel pump. This is meant to use on external fuel pump. And as you all can see, they already cleaned it up. So basically they cut up this hole here and they clean it up using brush or something, and then after that they weld it back. The inside of it I'll show you guys later. There's actually a leak at the bottom, which they also welded. Weld spot over there. So the rest of it is fine. Gonna carry the fuel tank to Alvin. So what we're gonna do next is we're going to apply the coating on the fuel tank so that it will stay in good condition like forever maybe. I bought a coating for fuel tank coating from Shopee the other day, Shopee Motorsports. So we're gonna apply that inside. It's like some steps to it. I'm gonna show you guys later. I'm not really sure myself as well on how to actually use it, but they did send the steps how to apply the coating on the fuel tank. So let's carry this into the Jeep. Oh, the Jeep definitely wants to be friends with the Chaser. And then let's head to Alvin. We're at Alvin already. Alvin is busy doing some stuff. Me with Jackson here, Jackson Tabo. Then now we have, this is the sealant for the fuel tank. It has a tank rust remover, step 1 sealer, step 2 sealer, and 2 hardener. Open cover. Yo. Step 1, rust remover. Itu udah total rusak. Ready. Bau. Tank rust remover. Pull in. Now I have to fill up water. Now I have to fill up with water. So after putting in the anti-rust remover, you have to fill up the water. And the water, you have to fill it up very full so that it can eat all the rust inside. Then you gotta leave it there for 1.5 days. So gotta leave this for 1.5 days. See you next time.
Several days later.
Okay, this is after has it been 2 days? I think it has been 1 day, 1.5 days. Now I'm gonna take out the rust remover chemical from the fuel tank. It's very dark here. And gonna throw away the chemical into the drain and apply the first coating of the fuel tank. Maximum power, Vin. No gasket. piston ring. Drain. Now to wash off the chemical of the rust remover with soap and water. Look at that way. It's never ending. So we have done cleaning up the fuel tank. So according to the steps, you have to basically, after washing it off, then you have to like dry it off under the hot sun, and then you can use the air compressor to basically remove the remaining rust remains. So tomorrow it is.
The next day.
And so the other day I tried to restore my fuel tank, and apparently I did it the wrong procedure. Now we're back at Alvin. Now we're gonna do it manually. We're gonna cut off the fuel tank with a grinder, and we basically gonna open the fuel tank. To James. So the plan is to cut it off, grind, cut over here, around, and then take it out and clean the inside. You can see inside. Let's do that. So we have done cutting the tank. We decided to cut it from on top like that, and yeah, we're gonna roll it over later on. So look at the condition of the fuel tank. It's not looking so good. So the plan is gonna clean all this up, gonna brush it off and whatnot. And the hardest part to clean was actually this top area. Look at that. Gonna brush all of these up. Gonna, oh, look at that rust. My gosh. Oh my god, there's a lot of cleaning.
The next day.
Good morning everyone. It's a Saturday, 86th day, and coincidentally, actually it's the 6th of August. It is 86th day. But then, first of all, we are going to fix the Jeepra because Jeepra's clutch died on me yesterday. Actually, it was giving symptoms a few days back, and just found out that the clutch line actually burst on me. So we're here to check it out, quick fix it, and drive it around. And why is my engine bay hot? Oh yeah, because of the weather. Stupids. So basically the clutch line, this is my clutch pump. It's so dark I can't really see. Anyways, this is the clutch. Okay, so this is the clutch braided line. It kind of like bursts somewhere in here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it out, make a new line. Thank God this braided line, I forgot that it was not the whole thing braided. It's just like over here until this side. So we're gonna take that out, make a new one, put in some clutch fluid, and it will work. So let's start on that. Ta-da! We have taken out the clutch line. this is the clutch line. It actually bursts. Don't know if you can see it from here. This section is where it bursts, so you need like a whole new line for this. And yeah, let's go and make a new one. Driving the Honda today because I got no extra car. The Power Dreams. So on the way to fix the clutch line to the Bintawat shop. Let's go. And we are back with the Jeepra with a brand new steel braided hose, and so we're gonna install it, fill in the fluids, and basically we'll run. Simple as that. So we're gonna do a little bit of YouTube magic, and just like that, it's been installed. You can see the new lines, it's very shiny. Clutch pump is macam fine, refilled already the fluid, and partially bleeded the clutch. I don't have, it's hard to bleed alone, so just gonna bleed just enough, drive it to Alvin and bleed it more there. So right now we have to collect more stuff for the 86, which is the map sensor, the TPMS, and the center console components, which I don't remember the blower and whatnot. I think it's like inside this mug and the Bluetooth. So yeah, let's find that and head to Alvin. Done. Alvin. Where's Alvin eh? Sorry bos, lambat. Kelas baru settle.
Tidak pemasang balai.
Wow, my wiring. Damn. Wow, look at that. Ooh. So beautiful. Shit. This is nice. Didn't regret buying it. Alvin, do wiring. What do people call this one thing? Yang heat, kayak heat shrink siapa orang ada tu? Wire sleeve. Oh, look at this. Oh, cantik gila, man. Wah, nice way.
It's really nice.
Oh. Wah, satu injector, satu sleeve away. Gila lah, kacak.
Should do mine. Should buy do mine also.
Damn. And big issue diagram.
I thought you print the A3 size one.
Huh? No, I don't have A3. Look at that. Oh, everything also can see. Besar gila. Wow, dia orang paling besar. Water temp?
Water temp yang dalam body bah.
Oh, ya dito.
Kalau isi ni.
Water temp. Nice. So Alvin has been working on the car's wiring, Panda's wiring, the past few days. You all can see the heat shrink and the wire sleeve, and you can see the work here. My god, look at that. Looks so good, man. And most of it is already done, basically. All the wiring he has, with the multimeter detected everything and whatnot. Now it's actually just waiting for my fuel tank to be installed. The ECU is over here and quite dark, but can't really see. I'm pretty excited. Not sure what's with Alvin's sudden motivation to do everything, but he has done it, guys. So what's left is gonna respray the top cover, the rocker cover, cam cover, and then install the relay box and whatnot, fuse box, and mount all this stuff properly, the intake and whatnot. I don't think it's locked yet, and the exhaust. So yeah, exciting stuff, so exciting. My cam cover gonna respray it, brought both of it, bringing both of it home.
1 hour later.
Okay, so today's plan is very simple. Gonna lock the intake in place, which I don't know if it's fully locked or not. For some reason it's not moving, so most probably I actually locked somewhere. What's up, team? Eating his keropok despite it's being quite late. And lock my exhaust. For some reason there's like oil at my header. One bolt here and another one at the bottom here, somewhere like something like that. So yeah, let's do that. So as you all can see, I basically did the fuel tank stuff. I'm not done on the fuel tank yet, but the wiring is almost done, which is pretty exciting stuff. And what else is remaining is basically after the wiring and put the oil in and spark plugs and whatnot, and maybe use a temporary fuel tank first and then try to start up the engine, and that's basically it. Very close, guys, to the car finishing. Panda, it's been so long. I've been waiting for this day for so long. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.